Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find motivational content, personal growth tips, and empowering advice to help you become the best version of yourself. If you're ready to take charge of your life and level up, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. We live in a world that constantly pressures us to conform, to be who everyone else wants us to be, to follow trends, to fit into boxes that limit our true potential. The pressure to wear a mask, to be someone you're not, can be suffocating. It might seem easier at first to blend in, to go along with the crowd, but over time, it takes a toll on your sense of self. You become disconnected from your truth. You start living a life that's not yours, and you lose the joy, passion, and authenticity that should define you. The courage to be unapologetically authentic requires you to stop seeking validation from others. When you live for the approval of others, you become a chameleon, constantly changing to meet their expectations, trying to please everyone, and neglecting the most important person in your life, yourself. But when you are unapologetically authentic, you stop caring about pleasing others. You stop pretending to be something you're not, and instead you embrace all of your unique qualities, quirks, and imperfections. You understand that being true to yourself is the only way to live a life that is fulfilling and meaningful. It's important to recognize that authenticity doesn't mean you have to be perfect. No one is perfect, and striving for perfection only leads to frustration and disappointment. Being authentic means embracing all parts of yourself, including your flaws, your weaknesses, and your vulnerabilities. It means acknowledging your mistakes, learning from them, and using those experiences to grow stronger. It means accepting that you are a work in progress, and that's okay. Authenticity is not about fitting into a preconceived image of what others think you should be. It's about being honest with yourself and embracing who you truly are at your core. Living authentically also means being true to your values. It's easy to get caught up in the opinions of others, especially when everyone around you seems to be doing the same thing or following the same path. But when you live according to your values, you become less swayed by outside influences. You stop comparing yourself to others and focus on your own unique journey. You understand that your path is different, and that's what makes it beautiful. Authenticity is about aligning your actions with your beliefs, not doing things just to fit in or gain approval. It means making choices that resonate with your soul, even if those choices are unconventional or go against the grain. One of the most powerful aspects of being unapologetically authentic is the freedom it brings. When you stop pretending to be someone you're not, you release yourself from the burden of living up to other people's expectations. You free yourself from the pressure to conform, to please, or to hide parts of yourself. You stop censoring your thoughts, opinions, and feelings to make others feel comfortable. You stop dimming your light to make others feel better about themselves. Instead, you step into your full power and let your true self shine. It's important to remember that not everyone will accept or understand your authenticity, and that's okay. The world is full of people who will try to criticize, judge, or label you based on their own insecurities. But when you are unapologetically authentic, you stop seeking the approval of those who don't value you for who you truly are. You begin to attract people who see and appreciate the real you, who resonate with your energy, and who support your growth. Authenticity creates deeper connections because it's built on honesty, trust, and mutual respect. When you live authentically, you also become more resilient. Life is full of challenges, and when you are true to yourself, you become more grounded in your identity and your purpose. You are less likely to be swayed by criticism, rejection, or failure. Instead of letting external circumstances define you, you rely on your inner strength, your values, and your sense of purpose to keep moving forward. Your authenticity becomes your anchor, helping you navigate life's ups and downs with confidence and grace. Being unapologetically authentic also requires you to let go of fear. Fear of judgment, fear of rejection, fear of standing out. All of these fears can hold you back from living your truth. But when you stop fearing what others think, you open yourself up to new possibilities. You embrace the unknown, take risks, and step out of your comfort zone. Authenticity is about trusting yourself, trusting your intuition, and trusting that you have everything you need to create the life you want. Ultimately, living unapologetically authentic is about living in alignment with your highest self. It's about honoring who you are, what you believe in, and what you stand for. It's about shedding the masks and pretending, and instead stepping into the fullness of who you were always meant to be. When you embrace your true self, you unlock a power within you that is unstoppable. You become a force of nature, an inspiration to others, and a magnet for the life you deserve. Authenticity is not just a trait, it's a way of life, and it's the key to unlocking your fullest potential. When you begin to recognize and value your own worth, you tap into a power that not only transforms your life, but also shapes the way the world perceives you. Too often we look to external sources to define our value, whether it's through the approval of others, the roles we play in society, or the material possessions we accumulate. But the real power comes from within. The moment you begin to acknowledge your own value, you stop seeking validation from others, and you start living a life that reflects your true worth. Recognizing your value isn't about arrogance, it's about confidence and self-respect. It's about knowing that you are worthy of love, success, and all the good things life has to offer, simply because you exist. The first step in truly valuing yourself is to stop comparing yourself to others. We live in a world that constantly bombards us with messages about who we should be, what we should look like, and how we should behave. Social media, the media at large, and even the people around us often set standards that are impossible to meet. We see others succeeding, getting recognition, and achieving their dreams, and we start to question our own worth. We begin to think that because we're not where we want to be, we're not good enough. But the truth is, your journey is unique. Comparing yourself to others only holds you back because it shifts your focus from your own growth to an unattainable ideal. You are not here to mimic someone else's life. You are here to create your own path, to live according to your values and your vision, not someone else's. One of the most important aspects of valuing yourself is to stop tolerating disrespect or mistreatment. When you know your worth, you no longer accept being treated in ways that are less than you deserve. This could mean ending relationships that drain you or letting go of environments that stifle your growth. It could also mean setting clear boundaries in your personal and professional life. When you know your value, you no longer tolerate toxic relationships, unhealthy work environments, or situations where your needs are consistently ignored. You begin to choose the people and places that honor and respect you. And if someone doesn't see your worth, it's their loss, not yours. You deserve to be surrounded by people who lift you up, support your goals, and appreciate you for who you are, not for what they can get from you. Valuing yourself also means learning to say no. Saying no is one of the most powerful acts of self-respect you can practice. It's easy to get caught up in the idea of always being available for others or constantly trying to please people, but when you say yes to everything, you spread yourself too thin and you lose sight of what matters most to you. Saying no allows you to protect your energy, prioritize your needs, and focus on your goals. When you respect yourself enough to say no to things that don't align with your values or vision, you show the world that you know your worth. It's not selfish, it's self-care. You can't pour from an empty cup, and you cannot give your best if you're constantly sacrificing your own needs to please others. Another key aspect of valuing yourself is learning to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. So often we get caught up in the hustle and the chase for more that we forget to acknowledge how far we've come. We dismiss our accomplishments because they don't seem significant enough or because we're too focused on what we haven't achieved yet. But celebrating your progress is essential to maintaining motivation and confidence. When you take the time to acknowledge your hard work, you reinforce your self-worth. You remind yourself that you are capable, that you deserve the success you've earned, and that you are on the right path. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a testament to your strength, resilience, and commitment. Embrace those moments and celebrate them, because they are proof of your worth. To truly value yourself, you also need to take care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Self-worth is not just about believing that you deserve the best. It's about actively investing in yourself. This means taking time for self-care, engaging in activities that nourish your body and mind, and prioritizing your well-being. Whether it's working out, eating healthy, meditating, reading, or simply taking a break when you need it, self-care is an essential part of honoring your worth. When you treat your body and mind with respect, you send a message to yourself and to others that you value yourself enough to put your health and happiness first. Furthermore, valuing yourself also means forgiving yourself. Too often, we carry the weight of our past mistakes, failures, and regrets. We hold ourselves to impossible standards, thinking that we are not worthy because of our imperfections. But the truth is, everyone makes mistakes and everyone has flaws. Your value is not diminished by your past, it is defined by how you rise from it. When you forgive yourself, you release the burden of guilt and self-judgment. You allow yourself to move forward with compassion and understanding. The past does not define you, it's what you do with the lessons you've learned that shapes your future. Finally, to truly value yourself, you must learn to trust yourself. Self-trust is the foundation of self-worth. When you trust your instincts, your decisions, and your ability to navigate life's challenges, you empower yourself to create the life you deserve. Trusting yourself means having the confidence to make bold choices, to take risks, and to stand up for what you believe in. It means knowing that even when things don't go as planned, you have the strength and resilience to get back up and keep moving forward. Trusting yourself is the ultimate expression of self-worth because it reflects your belief in your own abilities and your commitment to your own happiness. When you recognize your worth, you stop settling for less than you deserve. You stop allowing others to define your value. You stop doubting yourself and start embracing your greatness. And when you value yourself, the world will begin to value you in return. People will treat you with the respect you deserve. Opportunities will open up, and your life will begin to reflect the love, success, and happiness you've always been worthy of. Your value is not dependent on anything outside of you. It's inherent in who you are. And once you recognize and embrace that, you will live a life that is truly aligned with your worth. GPT said. Embracing boldness and growth means stepping out of your comfort zone, taking risks, and refusing to let fear dictate your actions. So often, we find ourselves stuck in patterns of comfort because it feels safe. We resist change, hold on to familiar routines, and avoid anything that might challenge us. But growth only happens when we push beyond those boundaries, when we take the leap into the unknown and trust that we have the ability to navigate whatever comes our way. Boldness is not about being fearless. It's about having the courage to act even when fear is present and trusting that the potential rewards are worth the risk. Growth is a continuous journey and it requires us to be open to new experiences, new ideas, and new challenges. If you are not willing to embrace growth, you are essentially choosing stagnation. The world is constantly evolving, and those who thrive are the ones who are willing to adapt and expand. Embracing growth means acknowledging that you will face obstacles, that there will be setbacks, and that things won't always go as planned. But it also means that you are open to the lessons those experiences offer and are committed to evolving into the best version of yourself. Boldness is what propels you forward when faced with adversity. It is the strength that allows you to keep going even when the path seems unclear. One of the key components of boldness is the willingness to take risks. We often avoid risks because they bring uncertainty, and with uncertainty comes fear. But without taking risks, we limit ourselves. We limit our opportunities, our growth, and our potential. Boldness is about recognizing that risks are a necessary part of success. They push us to break free from the confines of what we already know and explore new possibilities. Whether it's pursuing a new career, starting a business, or taking on a new project, risks allow us to expand our horizons and discover what we are truly capable of. Without risk, there is no reward. Taking risks doesn't mean blindly charging ahead without a plan. It means having the courage to take the first step, even if you don't have all the answers. Boldness is about trusting that you have the skills, strength, and resilience to handle whatever challenges come your way. It's about believing in yourself, even when others doubt you, and even when the path forward seems uncertain. When you embrace risks, you empower yourself to grow and to experience life in its fullest form. You open yourself to new opportunities, new relationships, and new perspectives that would never have been possible if you remained in your comfort zone. Growth also requires you to be willing to fail. Failure is often seen as a negative experience, something to be avoided at all costs. But failure is not the end. It is a crucial part of the learning process. Every failure is an opportunity to grow, to learn something new, and to become stronger. When you embrace failure, you remove the fear of it. You stop seeing it as something to be ashamed of and start seeing it as a stepping tone to success. Failure is not a reflection of your worth. It is a reflection of your willingness to take action and try something new. Those who never fail are the ones who never push themselves, never challenge themselves, and never grow. Boldness means taking that first step even when you don't know if you'll succeed, and embracing the lessons that come with the process. One of the greatest obstacles to boldness and growth is the fear of judgment. We often hold back because we are concerned with what others will think of us. We fear rejection, criticism, and ridicule. But living in fear of judgment only limits our potential. When you stop worrying about what others think, you free yourself to be yourself. Boldness is about showing up as you are without apologies and letting the world see your true self. The more you embrace who you are, the more you give others permission to do the same. Growth happens when we stop hiding our true selves and start living authentically. Boldness also requires a deep sense of self-belief. It's easy to let self-doubt creep in and undermine your confidence, especially when you're stepping into unfamiliar territory. But the key to boldness is to trust in your own abilities even when you don't feel 100% confident. Confidence is built through action, and the more you step out of your comfort zone, the more confident you become. Trust that you have what it takes to succeed, and know that you will figure it out along the way. The act of doing, of pushing forward, is what builds confidence. And with that confidence comes a sense of empowerment. You realize that you are capable of achieving things you never thought possible. Growth is not always linear. There will be times when you feel like you've hit a plateau, when progress seems slow, and when the path ahead is unclear. But that is the nature of growth. It's messy, unpredictable, and often uncomfortable. Embrace the discomfort. It is in those moments of uncertainty that the most significant breakthroughs happen. Boldness is about pushing through the doubts, the fear, and the uncertainty, and continuing to move forward even when the outcome is not guaranteed. It's about trusting the process, knowing that every step, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to your goals. The more you embrace boldness and growth, the more you begin to see the world differently. You start to see challenges as opportunities, setbacks as lessons, and risks as pathways to success. You become more resilient, more adaptable, and more confident in your ability to navigate the ups and downs of life. Growth becomes a natural part of who you are, and boldness becomes your way of living. It's not about being fearless. It's about having the courage to take action in the face of fear, to keep moving forward when things get tough, and to embrace the unknown with open arms. Boldness and growth are not just qualities you cultivate. They are the way you live, the way you show up in the world, and the way you create a life that reflects your highest potential. In conclusion, becoming the high-value woman no one can reach requires unwavering self-respect, boldness, and a commitment to personal growth. It is about knowing your worth, living authentically, setting boundaries, and embracing challenges as opportunities for transformation. By shedding the need for external validation, prioritizing your well-being, and taking risks, you empower yourself to rise above limitations and live a life that aligns with your true potential. The journey is not always easy, but every step you take in claiming your worth brings you closer to the empowered, unapologetic version of yourself you are meant to be. Keep pushing forward, stay true to who you are, and let your unique brilliance shine. Because when you step into your power, nothing can stand in your way.